Hi guys! Welcome to another Pops Up vlog of mine. I know it's been a while. And since we're all staying home, we decided to come up with something for you guys. This video is actually directed by my niece Erica. So tingnan po natin kung gaano po siya kagaling. Of course, I wanted an even skin tone, a little bit of mascara, a little bit of color on my cheeks and my lips. So I call this my no makeup look, and it only takes less than 10 minutes. So if you like what you see, please make your comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. So thank you very much for joining us here on Pops Up. Until my next vlog, I hope you like this. Again, we will try to come up with something different for you guys while we're staying home, okay? Have fun, stay safe, God bless you all, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.